January 30 is National Croissant Day. The food can be both savory and sweet, so there are plenty of toppings and spreads to incorporate. On the savory side, consider making a sandwich with chicken or crab salad. Add some bean sprouts, a little Parmesan cheese, and we have a perfect lunch sandwich. This food is also delicious with a little honey, jam, or clotted cream. Of course, another benefit of this food is the use of butter. Fresh butter, moist but not sticky, flaky but not crumbly, slightly chewy, this food is perfect as it melts in our mouths. In the early 1970s, this food became more popular than ever in many places. Although this food is considered a French specialty, some believe it originated in Austria. What is known is that crescent-shaped bread has been around the world for a long time. One of them is Kipfel, which originated in Australia around the 13th century. That type of bread without sandwich is more like a roll. A legend relates it to Marie Antoinette, the famous Australian queen who lived in Versailles. She was said to have been sent to France at the age of 14 to marry the future king Louis XVI. This lonely girl missed her homeland and asked the court bakers to make her the Kipfel she remembered. The French bakers created a more refined version of Kipfel, the food we know today. In 1920, this food was granted the status of French national product. It is also one of the best-selling pastries of the coffee chain Starbucks. How do we celebrate this day? For example, by taking a baking class and learning to make this delicious food ourselves. We can bake this food ourselves, entertain our friends and colleagues with freshly baked versions of this food, or try a new recipe for soup or salad to go with this food. In short, awaken our senses and fill our kitchens with the aroma of this food heating up in the oven. What a great way to start a new day! Here is our painting with all your pastas for this special day, and have a wonderful National Croissant Day. Cheers!